Who came on the train ride with you?
A goat.
Ah, you like your banana?
Doors on platform 6.
Is that Percy and Thomas? We're ready to get going.
Yeah.
Yeah? You ready to start moving?
Yeah.
All right. Stay in your seat, please. Here.
Mine.
Yeah, no, Daddy has to take the peel down for you. There we go. Actually, you know what, Daddy? Just take the peel off.
Oh.
There we go.
I don't want to.
You don't want the peel. You don't eat the peel. The peel
Doors
is
are closing on platform 6. Please stand clear.
There we go. Here we go. Are you ready to get going again?
Yeah.
All right, good. Yummy. Who likes bananas? Who likes bananas?
I do.
Yeah, who likes train rides?
I do.
Good. Are you happy to be on the train?
Yeah.
Yeah. Put that back in your mouth.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome
Who's
on board
that?
your 5:13 eastbound train. We are making
train.
all stations stop
We're
to
moving
Oshawa
again.
Station.
Move
For your
again.
convenience, our bus
Oh my
connections to
goodness.
Oshawa, Wilmington, and Newcastle. My name is Jeff, and I'm your customer service ambassador for
That's
this
Jeff.
trip. You can use the accessibility code.
Can you hear Jeff talking?
2528.
Yeah.
Located at the center of the train.
You have to listen to Jeff. Jeff tells us when we can get off the train.
Operating crew, we'd like to thank you for traveling with Go Transit. Danforth will be our first station stop. Danforth.
That train.
There's another train.
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo is right. Say bye-bye, train. That train has to stay here. And there's another one over there. And another one. What's the train does that look like? Does that look like Chuggington?
Sometimes it's so clear on the TV.
Yeah. Okay.